You think Hyundai Neira and Kia Clavis are direct rivals? I'll show you how one could save you over 25,000 Indian rupees every single year, not just on charging, but on hidden efficiency and maintenance costs. The actual urban EV winner for India will surprise you. We've all heard the buzz. Hyundai's Neira EV, Kia's Clavis EV. Two compact electric SUVs poised to really shake up India's booming EV market, challenging the reign of the Tata Punch EV. Both are expected to launch in India by early to mid-2025, bringing that coveted Korean design flair and feature-rich cabins. Globally, Hyundai is reportedly basing the Neira on its Casper platform, which has already proven its mettle in smaller markets. Meanwhile, Kia's Clavis is rumored to be a purpose-built EV, perhaps sharing core components with its sibling, but with its own distinct identity. But here's the truth. Beneath the shiny sheet metal and glossy brochures, these aren't just two sides of the same coin. There are fundamental differences, specifically in their engineering philosophy, that will hit your wallet every single year. Let's talk about the specs that truly matter to you, the Indian buyer. Both are likely to pack a roughly 30 to 35 kilowatt-hour battery pack. On paper, their Arise-certified range could hover around 320 to 350 kilometers. But let's be real, in India's stop-and-go traffic, with AC blasting and multiple phone charges, expect a real-world range closer to 240 to 280 kilometers. Both will offer AC charging up to 7.2 kilowatts and DC fast charging up to 50 kilowatts, topping up from 10 to 80% in about an hour. Ground clearance? Expect around 170 to 175 millimeters, perfect for those unpredictable Indian speed breakers. Boot space should be decent for a small family, around 300 to 320 liters. But here's where the numbers start diverging. The Kia Clavis EV, from what we understand of its engineering, is designed with a slightly more aggressive regenerative braking profile and a marginally lighter overall structure. This isn't just about acceleration. It translates directly into efficiency. Where the Neira EV might deliver a respectable 125 watt-hours per kilometer in mixed urban use, the Clavis EV is projected to hit closer to 118 watt-hours per kilometer. That's 7 watt-hour per kilometer difference. It's your hidden 25,000 Indian rupees a year. Now, for the numbers that matter most. India pricing. We anticipate the Hyundai Neira EV to start at an ex-showroom price of around 11.99 Indian rupees lakhs for its base variant, going up to 15.50 Indian rupees lakhs for the top end. The Kia Clavis EV, with its slightly premium positioning and projected efficiency advantage, might start marginally higher, perhaps 12.49 Indian rupees lakhs ex-showroom, stretching to 15.99 Indian rupees lakhs. Let's take a mid-spec variant, say the Clavis EV at an ex-showroom price of 13.50 Indian rupees lakhs. On road in Bangalore, that's roughly 14.90 Indian rupees lakhs, including RTO, insurance, and handling. If you finance 12 Indian rupees lakhs at 8.5% interest for 60 months, your EMI would be approximately 24,670 Indian rupees. Now, let's talk running costs. If you charge mostly at home, your electricity cost is roughly 8 Indian rupees per unit. At 118 watt-hours per kilometer for the Clavis, that's about 0.94 Indian rupees per kilometer. For the Neira at 125 watt-hours per kilometer, it's about 1 Indian rupee per kilometer. This might seem small, but let's assume you drive 18,000 kilometers a year. That's a direct saving of 1,080 Indian rupees annually on charging alone for the Clavis. But that's just the tip of the iceberg. The most direct competition, of course, is the Tata Punch EV. Currently, the Punch EV ranges from 10.99 Indian rupees lakhs to 15.49 Indian rupees lakhs ex-showroom. The Neira and Clavis will slot right in, offering a more premium, feature-loaded experience compared to the Punch, but at a similar price point. The Citroën EC3, on the other hand, starts at a much lower 11.50 Indian rupees lakhs, but it offers a much less refined driving experience and fewer features. The Kia Clavis EV and Hyundai Neira EV are aiming squarely for the buyer who wants Punch EV practicality, but with a touch of premium sophistication. Here's an insider detail nobody talks about the set.